Magandang tanghali everyone! Let's cook lunch! Tanghali na nga kami nagising kaya naman yung madaling lutuin na lang yung aming pinrepare ngayong lunch. Ayun nga't nagprito lang kami ng crab stick at bacon. Ito rin kasi yung paboritong isamgi ng mga bata at bumili na rin kami ng pork liempo. Ayan, luto na! Tayong let wash na siya sa vinegar at baking soda. We also have crab stick, bacon, pork, liempo, cheese, and I also have egg, seaweed. And yung egg, nilagyan ko na siya ng cheese at mayo. That's it, guys.
You will live with me from now on.
Guys.
I must tell your mother. She always loved you.
And you're pregnant.
Do I love
Try naman natin ito. May pork.
I must tell you the truth now. You will live with me from
Nainggit ko nga ang batang maliit, kaya siya naman daw ay magbabalot ng kanyang sushi. Kanino ka kaya nagmana to? At may pag-thumbs up pa.
doubt to take care of your body.
Bye everyone! Happy healthy eating!